How to fix leaks of legend Vanguard error van 57. For this first step, you need to sign out of Riot on other devices. Open up Riot client, click profile, click account settings. You need to log in your account. After login, you need to scroll down, click login management, click log out of everywhere and click confirm. After completing, come to next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Select allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down and search for Riot client. If it's not enabled means you can enable it both private and public. If it's not available means you need to click allow another app and you can browse it. Click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and click OK in the bottom side. After completing, come to next step, search for run and type the following text, services.msc, click it. Scroll down and search for VGC services, right click, click properties and make sure the startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running. Click apply and OK. And one more time right click and restart it. Once complete, after close it and come to next step, search for CMD, right click and click run as administrative and type the following text, ipconfig space slash flush DNS, click enter and the next command netsh space winsock space reset and the next command netsh space int space IP space reset and at last exit it. Once complete, after close it and come to next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your device. Once reset complete, after the last and final step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. You need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click uninstall. Once uninstall, after you need to restart your device. After restart, you need to open up the Riot client. It will asking for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard. Freshly reinstall the Riot Vanguard. After reinstall, you can check it. Thank you.